You know how people say don't judge a book by its cover? Well, psychology shows that we do it all the time. The way someone looks, their face, their skin, their overall appearance, it shapes how we judge their personality, how much we trust them, and even how competent we think they are. This is called the halo effect. If we think someone looks attractive, we automatically assume they are smarter, healthier, kinder, and even more capable. It sounds unfair, but it's how human brains are wired, and that's why beauty matters. Not a shallow Instagram filter kind of way, but in a very practical, everyday ways. People who look good are more likely to get hired, more likely to be promoted, and even in social settings, they are treated with more warmth and trust. On the flip side, if you feel you look good, you carry yourself differently. You speak with more confidence, you stand taller, and that changes how people respond to you. So, beauty is not just about vanity, it's actually about confidence and opportunity. But here is the really interesting part. When psychologists dig into what makes us call someone beautiful, it almost always comes down to one thing, that is youthfulness. Think about it: smooth skin, even skin tone, fuller lips, bright eyes, thick hair, these all are signs of youth. In fact, studies show that skin texture and color distribution alone can make someone look up to 20 years older or younger. So, when we describe someone as attractive, what we are really saying is they look youthful. Now, that doesn't mean beauty is reserved for young. What it means that the habits that keep us looking youthful, like healthy skin, healthy lifestyle, good sleep, are same habits that people read as beautiful. The great news is that most of the visible signs of aging are not due to genetics, they are due to lifestyle and environmental factors. Which means looking youthful is very much in our control. So, what actually keeps us looking youthful? The first and probably the most important is the protection from sun. UV damage is responsible for the majority of wrinkles, spots, sagging, and uneven skin tone we see as people age. Even teenagers can have invisible UV damage that only shows up later. Daily sunscreen, wearing clothes that cover us properly are honestly the closest thing we have as magic bullet in anti-aging. The second factor is diet, and particularly sugar. Too much sugar in the blood attaches to proteins like collagen and elastin, causing something called glycation. This makes our skin stiff, less elastic, and more prone to wrinkles and sagging. You can actually see this effect in people with high sugar diets. The solution is simple: cut back on refined carbs and sugars and avoid over-fried foods, and instead add antioxidants from fruits, vegetables, green tea, and even turmeric. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals that break down collagen and speed up aging. Third is smoking. We have all seen the classic smoker's face: deep wrinkles, dull and sallow skin. Smoking is one of the strongest escalators of visible aging. Quitting has benefits that show up not just in your lungs or heart, but in how young and healthy your skin looks. Next, we can't ignore skincare itself. A good routine isn't about having 10 products, it's about being consistent with the right ones. Cleanse gently, moisturize daily, and always protect with sunscreen. Then add actives like retinoids that are gold standard for improving wrinkles and pigmentation. Vitamin C helps boost collagen. Peptides and gentle exfoliants like AHAs improve texture and renewal. These aren't gimmicks, they are backed by decades of dermatology research. Stress is another silent ager. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which break down collagen and cause inflammation in skin. You have probably noticed how someone under constant stress can look much older than they are. Finding ways to manage stress, whether that's through meditation, gym, yoga, or simple doing something you love every day, isn't just for mental health. It's literally show up on your face. Then comes sleep. This is where phrase beauty sleep isn't just a cliche. It's biology. Poor sleep is linked to more wrinkles, uneven skin tone, slower repair, and even puffy, tired-looking eyes. In experiments, sleep-deprived faces were constantly rated as older and less attractive. 7 to 8 hours of consistent good quality sleep is one of the simplest anti-aging therapies you can give to yourself. Finally, there is the passage of time, the part of aging that's intrinsic and inevitable. Our cells, our DNA, our hormones, they all change with age. But truth is, intrinsic aging is slow. It's all these external lifestyle-driven factors like sun, sugar, smoking, stress, poor sleep that make us look years older than we actually are. And here is something fascinating. The only intervention so far proven in humans to slow biological aging process is calorie moderation. A 2023 study showed that eating fewer calories without malnutrition actually slowed down markers of aging in healthy adults. So when you put it all together, youthfulness is the core of beauty. And youthfulness isn't luck or genetics, it's daily habits. Protect your skin from sun, eat in a way that supports collagen and reduces inflammation, quit smoking if you do, build a simple skincare routine, sleep deeply, and find ways to manage stress. And the best part, when you start looking more youthful, you start feeling more youthful too. So psychology is simple. Beauty equals youthfulness, and youthfulness comes from habits. And if you are new here, subscribe more for science-backed strategies to look better, stay youthful, and feel confident. Please share this video with your friends and families. This is Dr. Shrey Bhatia signing off.